I go for 90 bucks, get 20% off on top of that. So is that $72? What is going on with these, man? 40 bucks? $40? What the hell? But yeah, 200, you guys. At least you get 20% off, but not enough, you guys. What's going on, YouTube viewers? This is your boy Cool with Cool Kicks. Thank you so much for joining me on another Nike Outlet video, guys. We're out in Long Beach, California, at the Nike Outlet in Long Beach. I think you can see it behind me. It's so bright I can't even see. But yeah, let's go see what's up, you guys. Welcome to Southern California, you guys. 75-degree weather. It's freaking November. 75-degree weather. I get to wear shorts. Got some little Nike Dunk action going on. Let's get these deals, you guys. Get these deals. Some of you guys who've been here, this is one of the smaller outlets. Not the biggest store, but usually they got heat here. 20% off the Hashwell I see. It is like what, 11 o'clock, so I am a little bit late. So yeah, hopefully we can still get it. Okay, we are in the size 10s. Got some SB action going on. 80 bucks. Got 20% off on top of that. Look at these clots. Damn, these going for retail. These are super clean. I've never seen them in all white. Look at that. Super clean. Not bad. Going for retail. That's too high for my blood. What are these, you guys? The DMS X? What the hell? Ooh, I just dropped it. What are these? The Chunky's outsole. Look at that crazy top. That's crazy, you guys. They look like they're limited or something. The way they're presenting it, the fact that it's still 160. The upper is crazy. The upper is just like, it's all plastic right here, then a synthetic mesh up here. Crazy, guys. I don't know if it's React. It feels very plush. Could totally be React. I don't know. Yeah. Either way, guys, if you guys know what the shoe is, let me know, because I have no clue. The N110 DMSX? I have no clue. But yeah, go for retail. Get that 20, I guess. These Proto Reacts dropping in price everywhere. 80 bucks. Get an extra 20 on top of that. Damn. LeBron 4 Horseman? Kind of pricey, man. 160? Damn, that's real pricey. Get 20% off, but that's totally not worth it. Damn. They got all kinds of interesting stuff here, guys. Have you guys seen these? Air Force Max 2s. Look at that, you guys. Air Force Max 2s. I've never even seen these. Wow, I've never even seen these at the retail stores yet. They always got heat here, you guys. Always got heat. You know it's going for retail because it's a brand new. Never even seen them. Get that 20% off though. Get $32 off. Not bad. In the size, what, 9.5? You know there's a full box. I'd see it. Oh, okay. The TEs, these ain't bad. They're not bad. They're not terrible. I would never cop them, but 60 bucks off. Get 20% off on top of that. And we've seen these at the clearance section for like 80 bucks plus 30% off. That's crazy. And this is a newer colorway or something. This is the Jordan Havoc, React Havoc. This has full-length React. You know, y'all know about the React, how comfortable that is. Yeah, go for retail though. Get 20% off, but that's not much. Okay, these ain't bad. Look at that. No retail box for it, but not bad. It's like a little bit of dirt on them. Looks like someone wore them a little bit, but yeah, go for 90 bucks. Get 20% off on top of that. So was that $72? Not bad. 72 bucks for some PG3s. One of the newer colorways too. Damn, how are they selling these for retail, man? These have been out for a minute. At least you get 20% off, but not enough, you guys. Not at the outlets. I don't know, is that just me being cheap, or I don't know, you guys let me know. You guys caught this for this much? Retail minus 20%? I'm good on that. Got some Elliott's going for retail. Got the pink ones going for retail, size 8.5 as well. Okay. I think this is one of the newer John Elliott colorways, isn't it? I'm still not a fan, but still not bad. Well, not bad if this is what you want. At least you get it for 20% off. Alright, this sign's in the way, so I really don't want to mess with these. Alright, got the Realtree boots. Go for 110, normally 200. Give it a little discount on top of that, not bad. Not much in the smaller sizes. Let's move up, you guys. Let's move up. PG3s, 10.5, going for what? 100? Go for 100? Good for $80 after a discount. You know what? I'm gonna try these on. If there are any dope colorways that come out in the future, I kind of want to know how they fit. So I'm gonna try these on. I'm gonna try these bad boys on. Alright, these are 10.5. I usually wear 10, so I do have to move a half size up. You do have to look at the shoes carefully when you buy them at the outlet. It looks like there's an imperfection right there. You totally see it. Yeah, so yeah, we're gonna put these back. And the size 11s. Pegasus Zoom Turbo. What is this? Pegasus Zoom Turbo Shield WP. No clue what the hell that is, but yeah, it looks like a water resistant version, and then it goes up way higher. Dang, that's interesting. Going for retail. Going for retail, 30% off or 20% off. Okay. Got the Nike Daybreaks. We've seen a lot of these at the outlets lately. Interesting. Still in the size 11 Air Force Max. $70. Get that 20% off. Not bad. Those of you guys that need a budget model running shoe, these aren't the highest quality, but $40. $40, man. 20% off on top of that goes out to what, $32? That's what's up, you guys. That's what's up. Size 11, got that Vapor Max, 120. 120, these are dope. Get that 28% off too. I haven't seen too many of these at the 11.5. Got the old school, was it the Air Tex? These are totally old school, man. Not bad. Yeah, they are going for retail though. I'm good with that. One of my boys just texted me right now asking me to look out for these. But yeah, he ain't no size 12 though. Not no size 12. So yeah, go for retail, man. Go for retail. Get that 20 off, I guess. Just for a reference point, Pegasus 35, going for 85 here. Seen those for a lot cheaper other places. For you SB fans, we've seen these. What are these? The Nigel Freeze. Seen a few of these today, different sizes, going for $80. They get 20% off on top of that as well. I think the prices seem to be a little bit higher here than other places today. $125. Seen these for like $100 other places. And this place doesn't give you the Bigfooters like much at all. It goes from like right here to like right there. That's all of 13 and above. 13, 15. Dang, not much at all, you guys. Not much for you size 13 people here. Damn, look at these soldiers. They go for $100. These are always like $70, $80 everywhere else. That's crazy. We've seen these up tempos under 100, right? Seems kind of high. Size 14's got the Protros going for retail. These are the draft day, right? And then these are the Soldiers 13s. Yeah, we've seen these at the clearance center for significantly cheaper. Alpha Dunks too, man. We've seen these for so much cheaper. And prices are kind of high today, guys. Kind of high. Alright, if you like these type of videos, make sure you go ahead, press that like button, help your boy out. And if you're new to my channel, make sure you guys subscribe and press that notification button, guys. Alright, this is just a terrible, terrible, sad Jordan section, you guys. Look, it's got a bunch of the 312, man, 312. Kind of depressing, man. Kind of depressing. Air Force Max lows starting to make their way to the outlets. 140 is way high, that's crazy. Alright, that's better. And these look alright too. Not bad. Not great, but not bad. She is updating some of the prices, so I'm gonna walk around and so I don't give you guys a bunch of inaccurate prices. Yeah, let's start with this side where she's already worked. Go for what? The Flytrap 2s, 50 bucks. Not bad, not bad. If you know, I know these are good for balling. All black, go for a little bit more. The wannabe Alpha Dunks, and just go get yourself an Alpha Dunk, dude. Alright, this price did go down. This was at retail earlier now. Well, it's probably always at retail, they just hadn't labeled it. But yeah, 80 bucks for the Air Force Max lows. Generic balling shoes. Some wannabe fly traps. Wannabe fly traps, 35 bucks, not bad. Probably not much technology in them. Got some Nike Air, it looks like. Which is 30-year-old technology, but alright, not bad. We've seen these up-tempos way cheaper. That's interesting. Air Max Deluxe, okay, not bad. Finally under 100, the Air Max 2017. Dang, I got these for under 100, like, I don't know, like over a year ago. That's crazy. Air Max Torches. Is anybody buying these? You know what? I feel stupid because I actually have these at home. And they're just my beaters. Terrible choice. See, during friends and family, they jacked this price up, man. That's jacked up, man. Jacked up, Nike. And these as well. None of these were 100 during friends and family. They raised them up to like 139 or something. Yeah, they raised the prices on all these. So yeah, friends and family, don't just go out and spend your 30% off. Make sure you guys look at the prices beforehand, because yeah, they do try to rip you off, man. I guess they do. Damn, look at that, you guys. Look at that, you guys. Women's section already killing the guys section. Yeah, that is dope. 20% off on top of that, man. These are hella interesting. Vandalized. This is interesting as hell. It's like all leather material. All leather. Yeah, it's called the Nike Vandalized. 60 bucks. That's interesting. In size 8, not much in the 7s and the 6s. But yeah, going for retail. Some Joe rides. Dude, that's not bad. 50 bucks. That goes down to what? $42? Not bad. For these EXP. And this is a better upper than the typical EXP 32s. EXP 14s. The upper is significantly nicer. Yeah, not bad. Women's Air Max TIAs go for 50 bucks. $42, not bad. Not bad, dude. Colorway's not bad either. That was pretty cool. What is going on with these, man? 40 bucks? $40? What the hell? These used or something? No, I don't even see any wear on them, dude. This is React, so this marks up real quick. That's crazy. 40 bucks? 20% off, man. That comes out to what? 30? That comes out to what? $32? What the hell's going on? Alright, I had to check the resale prices, and yeah, there's really not that much profit in these. Yeah, my girlfriend was a size 8, so I'm gonna see if I can find this in size 8, man. That's a crazy deal. $32 for some Vomero 14s. Damn. Look what I found, the exact same thing, but look at the price. $65, $39. So let's get a price check on this. $39.97, you guys. Oh man, I'm buying this for my girl. Hopefully she likes it. We'll see. Alright, I got a little off track getting this for my girl because, man, price is just crazy. Look, Dad Shoe of the Year, Tenkos. From the women's section, so Mom Shoe of the Year, 45 bucks. Interesting colorway, man. That's just weird. Yeah, 45 bucks. You get that 30%. By 30%, I meant 20%. But yeah, same thing. Dang, Reacts going for 55 for the Odyssey Reacts. Dang, women's section Got way better price than the guys today. Look at this colorway of the Vomero. It's like $100. The one I'm getting is $40. That's crazy. I don't know. Sometimes colorway to me does not mean that big of a deal. For it to be twice the price, more than twice the price. All right, this is crazy huge. I guess. But look, $35, man. $35. That's for size 11. Get 20% off on top of that, man. That's crazy. We've seen these at the clearance store for way cheaper than women's. But still, $79 is not bad. It's almost 50% off. $50. That's only $20 off, I guess, for the Cortez. Forrest Gump's going for $50. I'm a fan of these 2017 Air Max. I don't know why. I know not that many people are. Got some Air Max boots. What the hell? Okay, $100. Get $45 off, I guess. These mid Blazer Rebels, man, they always fool me because I'm like, man, these are dope. And then I'm like, oh wait, they got a zipper, and these laces aren't even real, I guess, huh? It's just like, just for looks, I guess, huh? Oh no, they do have laces. Oh, okay, they actually are real laces, but yeah, I don't know. Are people into that? I don't know. You guys let me know. Got the Metcons. They're kind of on sale, I guess. I guess we've just seen it for cheaper at that clearance center, but most people don't have clearance center, so yeah, not bad. Those are what, like $65 off or something? Not bad. That's pretty much about it with the women's section, you guys. Really not much. Not much. The clearance section had some decent deals, but yeah, nothing in the aisles. I was walking by and I'm like, oh, that's a Kobe. Wait, look, Jordan Retro 8 going for $200. Yeah, I'm definitely not a fan of these. I'm not a fan of the 8s, but the colorway is even more or whatever. But yeah, like the Black History Month or something? I don't know what this one is. But yeah, 200, you guys. The N7s, that's what they are. I guess you get 20% off, I guess. Yeah, I parked my car at a meter, and literally I got 2.5 minutes left, so I'm gonna go ahead and pay for this. I promise I'll cover the apparel in the next video, you guys. Man, that's why you guys need to shop around, you guys. $35, man. These retail for what, 140, I think? 140. Got them for $35 after tax. After tax, that's insane. It was like $32 or something, you guys. That's just nuts. If you guys like this video, make sure you go ahead, press that like button. If you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe, press that notification button so you guys know when the newest video comes out. Because I do drop a video almost every day. I did miss one. I've missed one in the last 30 days, you guys. I've missed last one in 30 days. So yeah, make sure you go ahead and follow me. If you're new to my channel, I do go out to a bunch of outlets and retail shops. Pretty much look for the best deals, you guys, and whatnot. I'm coming out with additional content, trying to expand a little bit, but that's pretty much what I do. I do have giveaways coming out all this month. We have them Funko Pops, we have t-shirt, we have a few other things and whatnot. Make sure you follow me on Instagram as well as subscribe to my channel. See you guys next one. Peace.